Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Grishma and welcome to my channel. Today the topic I'm discussing with you is a very relevant subject in our present society or present scenario. We know the coronavirus or the COVID-19 that is making a lot of problem for us, including our respiratory problem, health problem, economic problem, financial problem that is affecting us in different way. I'm discussing with you a new side effect or new problem that is happening because of this coronavirus. We know because of this coronavirus or COVID-19, everywhere in the world is under lockdown or shutdown. So everyone is restricted. Everyone is restricted to their family only or to their home only. So they are closed. They are closed in their home, or they are like in a case like. Now we know now in our society or our situation is like we are in a cage. We are in an imprisoned manner. So this is causing a new problem for us. We knowingly or unknowingly, this is affecting our health and also our day-to-day life. I want to discuss with you a genuine case or a case that is one patient who came to my OP for consultation, and the case and the problem he is experiencing because of this COVID-19 lockdown. That is because of first of all I want to tell, because of this lockdown or this coronavirus problem, everywhere in the world we know is under lockdown. So the students, the schools are closed, colleges are closed, everywhere office, everything is closed. So they are doing online education in the home and they are doing work at home. So everyone is restricted or imprisoned in their home itself. This is causing a new problem, a new health problem for us. That is the problem with our neck or cervical problem. Because too much of using this mobile phone, too much of using our laptop, computer, and lack of exercises, we are missing our day-to-day activities and day-to-day daily routine exercises, everything. It's causing health problem for our body. So I want to present you one of the case. One day a man came to my OP and he has a complaint that he has a problem in the neck. He has a severe pain over his neck, and the pain is radiating to the hands. Not the pain actually, the numbness is radiating to the hand, and also he is feeling some numbness or some pricking pain inside the ear also. First I checked him and do some clinical examinations, and I feel that some bulging is there, and the muscle here, the trapezius muscle has also a bulging. And I prescribed him some medicine, some anti-inflammatory medicines, and some cream for external application, some oil, etc. And I told him, you can use this medicine for 5 days. After that, when you came back, after 5 days, please took a X-ray and please show to me. And on that day, on the 5th day, he came back to my OP and he bring his X-ray also. This is his X-ray. I hope you can see this. While reading the X-ray, I came to know that he has a pain over this area, over the C4, 5, 6 level. There is a compression I can feel here. And I asked him, do you have any new complaint or new radiation pain after using the medicine? He said that while using the medicine, he has relief. By using the oil application or the external cream application, he felt some relief. But after some time, again he is feeling that pain again. So I asked about his routine, what he is doing and he told that now he is, and because of the lockdown or the coronavirus problem, he is in his home only. And all the time he is working with the laptop, the work at home. So he is working with the laptop, and he is the rest of the time, because of his boredom, he is using too much of mobile. And he is using the mobile he is lying on the bed with the heavy pillow on the back, and he is using the mobile like this. So I came to know that the posture is by using the laptop and also while using the mobile, that is causing the problem for the neck. And at that time he told that he feels some pain over here and the pain is radiating to the chest and some pricking pain over everywhere and to the head also. Then I told him and to took an MRI because I want to know whether any inflammation with the nerve or any only the problem with the disc or. So I told him to took an MRI and please show to me. So the next day he bring one MRI report for me. This is his MRI like this. And while reading this MRI, I came to know that the actual problem. This problem is there is a disc bulge on the C5, 6 and 7 level. There is a disc bulge and it is protruding to the right side. So the bulging, we know the vertebra, the cervical vertebra, the lumbar vertebra, the thoracic vertebra, everything, we know the vertebra. So inside the vertebra, we know there is a disc which is supporting the movement and making the friction. To avoid the friction with the vertebra, there is a disc. And in his case, because of too much of using mobile like this and work at home, the laptop using like this, so his vertebra is like compressing each other and inside the disc which is bulging out, so protruding out, because one vertebra here inside there is a cushion disc. While compressing the two vertebra, the disc is coming out. So this problem he occurred because he has no history of fall or a history of trauma, no weight lifting, nothing. Only by using the computer for too much time or a mobile phone for a long time, for the last I think for 7 months he is continuously using like this, that causes the problem. That causes the radiating pain to the head, to the hand, and some restricted movement. If he is avoiding this for further, it causes the stiff movement of the neck. He is unable to move his head also. That causes the cervical spondylosis. Now it's become itis, some inflammation, some protrusion of the bulge occurs. So this I want to discuss with you is because it's not a small pain or we can avoid, but if he is doing some work, he is neglecting or he is avoiding the pain and again using the computer or laptop or using the heavy pillow like that. But when he is resting, he is feeling a lot of pain. So it's not a small case or not the case we have to avoid. We have to seriously think about that. This is happening for, I came to know that this is happening for a lot of people, like lot of small students, they are doing online classes now. Every time they are using the mobile for the online classes or the laptop for the online classes, they are also causing the neck pain and the bulging or protrusion of the cervical problem. So it's a serious problem nowadays or the present scenario. So for that we have to do something. I want to tell you because we can avoid too much of using mobile phone or the laptop. Because for the students or the working, they can do some work, like they have to do some work. So after doing in half an hour, they can do some 5 to 10 minutes relaxation exercises. Some head exercises, some stretching exercises in a small way, in their sitting position or just stand up from their chair or stand up from their room and they can have a 5 minutes walk for a relaxation. If you're using too much of mobile also, it's not good. You can use some mobile and you can have some rest for that. Take that mobile away from you and do some stretching exercises like that. For this type of people, they have to avoid using heavy pillow. They can use a small thin pillow, or it's better to avoid pillow during the sleep. That's good for our cervical curve also. The vertebral curve, it's good to avoid the pillow. And the other thing, you can apply some hot bags if you are working or studying. In between that, in every half an hour or 1 hour, take a break for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We can have a hot water bag or some hot water hot application over the neck, and give some relaxation for the trapezius muscle or the muscles here, or relaxation for the neck also. This is needed because our blood circulation or this, we have a normal posture, we have to follow that. So this is a serious problem I want to discuss with you, because you have to care your body. If you are doing work at home or you are studying online in your home itself also, you have to care your body. Because now our society is like that. We have to do something for our body. So if you have a case like this, I can prescribe you some exercises. I show you like some exercises like this, some stretching exercises for every 5 minutes in the morning or the evening, or in between works also you can do. And you can apply some hot water. I told you, some hot water over the muscle area or the back area, and you can apply some any anti-inflammatory cream. Now in Ayurveda, a lot of creams are available, like Shalagi, Rumale, a lot of creams are available that you can apply light over there and can have a small massage. It helps, not too much bigger massage, it's just an application, a small massage, a light massage that help for the blood circulation or the movement easier. And also you can apply some oil, some sesame oil. It's take a small amount of sesame oil, you can just make warm and apply over that area before half an hour before shower. And you can take a hot water shower, that is very important. It's better to take a hot water shower over the body, not to the head. For the body you can have a lukewarm or warm water shower. It's better to take your shower in the morning session or noon session, not in the evening session, because in evening session the climate is also very cool, and the vata, the problem, the pain in your body will increase. So it's better to take the shower in the morning time itself. So while using or while following all these things, we can have some relaxation for your neck, and you can care your body, and you can include more calcium or vitamin D rich food now. And in Ayurveda, concerning with the treatment, there is a lot of applications with the oil, and also some internal medicines are also available for this, for supporting your neck. So for the oils, like any oil, the sesame oil, if you are not getting any Ayurvedic oil like Prasarinyadi Tailam or Kotanchukadi Tailam, you can use some sesame oil, that is better. Before shower, I told you, half an hour before shower you can take, and can take a warm shower. So you have to follow this, you have to seriously think about this, you have to take this as a serious problem, and also you have to care your body very well. If you have any question or doubt, you can just comment me, I will definitely reply. If you like my video, please press the like button, and if you like my channel, please subscribe it. And we can see with another video next time. Until it's bye and thank you.